the opportunity. If that's the end goal, then the real work that has to be done is in finishing all the colleges that are under construction, building more. This is the end goal. The subsidiary goals, of course, are paper leaks until what can happen. If anybody who wants to study medicine has a seat available to study medicine, there is no reason for an examination leak. There is no particular motivation for an examination mafia to actually exist. Let's open up this conversation to Justice Lokpal Singh, former judge of the Uttarakhand High Court, joining us in the broadcast. Justice Singh, let me take you on a different tangent because rapid developments have taken place. We have the Delhi High Court, which has just in the past 1 hour instituted this fast track court in Rouse Avenue. A magistrate or a presiding officer has been appointed for this fast track court as well. Now, I know that fast track courts exist in other matters. They exist in POSCO matters, they exist in crimes against women matters. They do exist. But to the best of my memory, I have never seen a fast track court created within 24 hours. Have you seen a precedent on this before, sir?
No, it is the first time when Honorable the Prime Minister has constituted and requested the concerned high courts to all the in the country that fast track courts should be established to conduct the accused persons, the trials in these matters. So now, and you will be aware that in the midnight, the Honorable the Prime Minister has issued a video that the government is very much interested to take care of the students and no culprit will be saved in any manner. That's why the fast track court has been created. And as you told me right now, that the Delhi High Court has taken steps to constitute the fast track courts. So I hope that the fast track court will take decision in the matters, and those who have indulged in such activities, they will be punished very soon.
Okay, so I want to understand how this helps, because once a fast track court is created and we are being told it is created exclusively dealing with these cases, no other cases will be presented before this court. A presiding officer, a judge has been appointed, a courtroom has been appointed, so this court is ready to sit. Now, obviously, obviously this helps that there is going to be no Tariq pe Tariq because of court case workload which judges face. But in terms of investigative due process, then that's a separate matter. Obviously, defense counsel has to be given time to prepare. The investigative agencies have to do investigation, prosecute a case. How much can actually be fast tracked?
Now, these fast track courts are special fast track court as instituted by the Delhi High Court. So far investigation is concerned, all the cases belongs to the, depending on the electronic evidence as well as the oral evidence. So there is a lot of evidence against them, and since the electronic evidence is also good evidence, and it will lead to the conviction of the accused persons. So far, the accused persons may delay the cases of trial, so the fast track court may not grant much time or much adjournments to the accused persons. Certainly, defense counsel will try to linger on the matter, but once the fast track court has been constituted by the High Court, then
okay. Can you help us understand one more point, Mr. Justice? So the cases are currently being heard by a special CBI court. Okay. Now, a special CBI court, many people would think, look, this is anyway a special CBI court. So how is this different? Are there other cases of the CBI, therefore this doesn't get mixed with?
There is regular CBI court. Those CBI court are also a special CBI court, but this dedicated special fast track court has been created for this purpose alone.
Okay. One last question I have before I let you go, sir. So we are now being told that a new bill will be brought before Parliament. We are expecting Cabinet to clear it today and potentially enacted sometime next week. Now, to the best of my understanding, any bill will pertain to future cases, the cases that are already under investigation or under criminal prosecution, the chances of this being retroactively effective is very minimal.
So, no, so far criminal law is concerned, I don't think that this bill may take the retrospective effect, though it's always with the court that whether it is permissible or not. But as right now, for the future, the government is taking the bill as you suggested, and I also heard in the news that government is taking a bill before the cabinet, and it might be possibly placed on the floor on Monday.
Okay, last question. So from the Examination Act, which is a couple of years old, to a new bill, what would help empower the courts, judicial officers, judges such as yourself, and the prosecuting and investigating agencies? What do we need to see in this bill that would make the prosecution of these exam related cases more effective?
Exam related cases should be taken on priority, and there should be a stringent law to punish the culprits even for the life.
Okay.
Not less than the life. Not less than the life.
Okay, so
because if we want to curb all these paper leak matters, then we have to make a stringent law in the country.
Okay, so you are saying that the law should make the punishment more stringent versus what it currently is. Right now, it is a criminal act, but it is treated more like a white collar crime than Gunda Act and other mafia acts that need to now come apply. The accused are facing provisions of these acts as well. But nonetheless, we are heading in the right direction. We are not there yet, but we are heading. Justice Lokpal Singh, appreciate your time for joining us and putting your thoughts in on this. More breaking developments coming in. The Union Minister of State of Education, meanwhile,